What's going on? So today I'm going to show you how you can use the largest, most successful YouTubers' videos to promote your affiliate links, your offers, and potentially make tons of cash. You can even tap into viral videos that are getting millions and millions of views and use them to drive traffic to your offers, just by simply copying and pasting a couple links and using this amazing platform I'm going to share with you today. And after I show you how to use this platform to promote offers by tapping into YouTube videos that are wildly successful if you want, I'm going to show you how to use the same platform and a similar method to have these viral videos then link directly to your videos or even to your channel so that you can potentially get views, subscribers, and watch time. So be sure to subscribe and set notifications so you don't miss out on any of this content. And if you're one of those who's been interested in my main methods and tools for growing YouTube channels quickly, becoming a YouTube partner, earning AdSense revenue, and even monetizing your channels for additional automated income daily like I do, check out the link in the description to my video series where you can watch over my shoulder, copy me, and set this up for yourself. And if you do happen to come over to the course page and you scroll down a bit, you're going to see where people that are enrolled and are simply following the steps from this course are sharing the results they're getting from it right here. And plus, I just added this new section to the course called 2-week monetization, where I show you how you can get your channel to get monetized in about 2 weeks or less. In fact, just using that one section of the course, I have people reporting that they've reached the monetization criteria in as quickly as 11 days. So that means 1,000 plus subscribers and 4,000 plus watch hours. Okay guys, so here is what I wanted to show you today, the platform we're going to be using to generate income or even growing your YouTube channel simply by copying and pasting a couple links. It is called Sniply, and this is a great example, this little display they have on their homepage of how it works. And you can see they have various websites flashing through here, so BBC, the Washington Post, CNN. But again, we're going to be using videos, and you can use videos with this. So you can see as these sites are scrolling through all these different sites, they have this little box right here, which is basically what you're going to be doing. You're going to set up links to offers, and again, I'm going to show you how to do this to your channel or your own videos. And so when people are watching YouTube videos, they're going to see this right down in the lower left-hand corner, and you can fully customize this to send it right to your offers and make tons of money. Now let me show you one way we can use this. Let's say you're in the weight loss niche and you have an offer you want to promote. Like for instance, we can go over here to ClickBank and let's just go ahead and find a weight loss type product. So we go over here to the left to health and fitness. So let's say we wanted to promote just this product as an example. We're going to hit promote. We're going to go grab our affiliate link. We're going to copy that. We're going to head back over to Sniply, and right here we're going to say create snip. And we're going to put it in this bottom field here. We're going to paste it. So this is where we want the traffic to go to. And then this is where we're going to generate the rest of this button. So you can see right down here, the Sniply button right there. This is all customizable. This image is customizable. So you could put something really eye-catching down there. And then you can customize the rest of this. So we have free training. We could say crazy weight loss. And you can see it updated down there. Click here. You can even modify what that says if you want. And now we need to find a video to promote it. So let's head over to YouTube. So I typed in weight loss. I'm going to do a little filter action here to find the ones that are currently trending. So let's just go with the last month, and then we're going to hit the filter again, and we're going to go view count. So we're telling YouTube we just want to see the videos that were posted within the last month and in order of highest view count. And then we're going to look for something that we find interesting or that's getting a lot of views. Obviously, these are all getting lots of views. But here's one celebrating my 2-pound weight loss. So it's sort of a funny video, but the way we're going to promote it, it's not going to matter. It has to do with weight loss. It's been posted for 4 weeks. It's already got almost 500,000 views. So let's go ahead. I like the thumbnail because, again, it's kind of entertaining. And let's go ahead and just click this so we can grab the link. And let's head back over to Sniply. We're going to pop that link up in here. And then you can ignore this little sad face like it's not working. It totally is working. And then we're going to go ahead and hit snip. And so here is our link. We're going to copy that. And now what we're going to do is paste it, and we're done. And so again, if we're in the weight loss niche, like I'm showing you in this example, you're just going to go to Facebook and you can find a lot of weight loss groups. And so this one has 514,000, this one has 68,000 members, 139,000 members, and so on. And you're going to join as many groups as you want. And a lot of them are going to allow you just to start posting immediately. And so for those groups, this is all we're going to do. You're going to take that link and paste it into your post and post it. And now inside these groups, this is what they're going to see, this crazy thumbnail. It's already proven that it's already gotten over 400,000 views in the last 4 weeks. So this video is going to work at getting people to click on it. When they do click on it to see what it's about, Right here in the lower left hand corner is the link to your weight loss product. Now in this case, since we're using a silly video, you could say real weight loss and then click here, whatever you need to do to get their attention. But what happens when they click on the click here button? It takes us right to our affiliate offer with the weight loss products that we just created over at ClickBank. This is so amazing because again, you're leveraging the power of these other videos and other YouTubers to simply share their video, their content on a platform like Facebook. As people click on it, they're gonna get to watch the video, and then down here on the left-hand side, they're gonna see your link to your offer. And as people buy this, you're gonna get the commission. Now, a little twist, you can use this to grow your YouTube channel. Do the same thing. Find videos that are within your niche. You obviously already probably know a bunch of YouTubers that you like that are in your same niche, the most popular YouTubers, the most popular gamers. You could do the same thing. Put a badass gaming video in here inside of a group that is interested in gaming or Fortnite or whatever you're trying to promote. As people click on the thumbnail, click on the post to watch that video, then you could have your channel in here or another video of yours that you created to redirect people to watch your content. And so by using videos you already know are proven on YouTube's platform to get tons of views, you stand a very good chance to have success on platforms like Facebook for sharing them as well. So go check Sniply out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. With that, I'm gonna wrap this up and I will see you in the next video.